Ruby the maths tutor, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your hand to quickly tell you some exact trig values. So whether you're on foundation or higher level at GCSE, there are certain angles which you're expected to know the exact trig values for without a calculator. So these are 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. It's just really helpful to have that 0 and 90 degrees in there, because if you're going to be sketching a sine curve or a cos curve and you can't remember which is which, you can just quickly use your hand to remind you which way round it goes. So what we're going to do, and it looks a little unusual to start off with, is we're going to be counting fingers, and you are going to be doing the square root of the number of fingers that we count and divide it by 2. If you are finding a sine value, then we are going to count to the right. If you are finding a cos value, then we count to the left. And this really does just take seconds to do. So if I want to know what sine of 30 is, all I do is I look at the finger that says 30 degrees. It's here. Count how many fingers are on the right of it. There's just one finger on the right. So square root 1 over 2, which is a half. If I want to do cos of 30 degrees, then my line's already in the right place. On the left of it, I have got 3 fingers. So I'm going to do square root of 3 divided by 2. Right, let's try a different angle. So I'll remove that line. This time, let's say we do 45 degrees. So sine 45 degrees. On the right of it, I have got 2 fingers. So square root of 2, divide by 2. It's always a divide 2 on these. And on the left, it's the same. So cos 45 would also be root 2 over 2. And then finally, let's do 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees. If I just move my line over, here it goes. Sine is on the right, so counting over here, we have 3 fingers, so root 3 over 2. For cos 60, this time I'm counting to the left, just 1 finger, so root 1, which is just 1, divide by 2. I hope you find that method helpful. I certainly find it a lot faster and easier and more reliable than trying to remember lots of values in tables.